My dear students, good evening all of you. This is Baji sir, PGT in English, postgraduate teacher in English. My dear students, today I would like to teach about the important topic which is the heart of the English grammar, that is nothing but tenses. Tenses. Now CBSE-11 English grammar, this is the important topic. So here first of all we are going to know the definition of tense. Tense is change in the form of the verb. Change in the form of the verb. So we have to find out change in the form of the verb. It shows when the action takes place, when the action took place, and when the action will be taken place. For example, here, he drinks milk, present verb, means simple present. He drank milk. See here, if you observe the two verbs, first verb drinks, second verb drank. This is simple past. And the third one, he will drink milk. This is simple future. So here, according to the definition, change in the form of the verb. Now here, subject object same only. He milk, he milk, he milk. But the verb is changed. This is drinks, and this one is drank, and this one is will drink. So according to the definition, here it is proved that verb is, tense is nothing but change in the form of the verb to show the action when it takes place, when it took place, and when it will be taken place. Now we are going to learn how many tenses are there in the English language. So in the English language there are three main tenses. Three main tenses: past, present, and future. Past, we should be very clear. Past means completed information. Present means the action going on. And the future tense means the action still to be taken place. So here we should be very clear about the tenses. So now if you see present, past, future. So past means completed action. Present means now action going on. Future means action still to be taken place after some time. So here all the activities in the English language we can say only three ways: past, present, future. Is there any other tense through which we can express the action of the subject in a sentence? No. So we should be very clear. Now in the English language every tense is divided into four subparts. There are three main tenses in the English language. Every tense is divided into four subparts. Now see here. So simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. So these are the four subparts of each main tense. My dear students, so shortcut formula: dash simple, dash continuous, dash perfect continuous. Suppose if you see here in this blank, present, past, future, you can write. If you take present, what are the four subparts of present? Present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In the same way, now past tense four subparts: past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And the same way future also: future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So this is the short formula. So dash simple, continuous, perfect continuous. So here present, here pt past, f means future. Same here also, present, past, and here future. Here also present, past, here future tense. Present, past, here future. In this way, easily we can get all the four subtenses of each main tense. Now, once again, every action we do in our life, we can express by three ways: past, present, future. We should be very careful about these three tenses. Now, we are going to discuss present tense. So here, how can we identify particular sentences in a particular tense? By seeing the only verb form. So verb decides the tense of the sentence. So if you take into our consideration how many types of verbs are there in the English language, here we can divide them into three main verbs: be forms, have forms, and action verbs. Be forms, have forms, and action verbs. Be forms have present tense, have forms have present tense, and the action verbs also have present tense. In the same way, past and future tenses also they have. Now, be forms we are going to write. Be forms verbs. Now see here. She is a dancer. So here, this is the present be form. Already be forms you know. What are the be forms? Am, is, are. Present, was, were, past, shall be, will be, future, future tense, shall be, will be, future tense. So here, present be form, past be form, future be form. So be forms, see here, this is present tense. By seeing this one, we have to say this is a simple present tense. Now here, she was a dancer. This is simple past. She will be a dancer. This is simple future. My dear students, by seeing the verb form, we can identify the tense of the sentence. So present be form. See here, am, is, are. For I am, he, she, it is, we, you, they, are. Plural subject is in plural, are we have to take. Subject is in singular, is we should take. Subject is I, am we have to write. That's why here according to the subject, am, is, are we can use. So it takes so much time and to write all the sentences. That's why here is I took. For example, in place of she, I you take. I am a dancer. I was a dancer. I will be a dancer. Suppose are is used after plural subject. They are dancers. They were dancers. They will be dancers. So here, by change of the verb, the tenses of the sentences are changed. So present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now, come to the have forms. Here only. Have forms. Has, have. Here, had. Here, shall have. And will have. See here, the be forms are expressing position, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, state of the subject, the existence of the subject, the nature of the subject, how subject is, profession or position or different qualities of the subject is expressed by be forms. Now have forms are used to express the position. Position means ownership of the subject. Have forms express. For example, if you take now have forms. For example, she has a car. Simple present. She had a car. simple past. She will have a car, simple future. My students, see here the difference of the verb form we have to identify. Actually, tense means nothing but a change in the form of the verb. So has, had, will have. She, a car, all are same only. So tense is nothing but a change in the form of the verb to show the time of the action. Actually, we are saying that tense is time. No, time is entirely different from verb form. He came here at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, that is the time. Came, that is the verb form. So time is entirely different from tense. So tense is nothing but change in the form of the verb. Now action verb we are going to take. Action verb. That means be forms are over, have forms are over. Now action verbs. Action verbs express the work of the person, the task what the subject is doing. Means subject in the sentence is doing some work. The work is expressed by action verbs. Be forms only state the position of the subject, and have forms expresses the ownership of the subject, and the action verbs expresses the work they are doing. See here, they buy gifts, simple present tense. Second one, they bought gifts, simple past tense. They will buy gifts, simple future tense. Now see here, buy, bought, and will buy. So change in the form of the verb. Tense is nothing but this is simple present, SP simple present, SPT simple past, SF simple future. So here there are three types of verbs in the English language. Remaining verbs also there are some other verbs we can discuss later. But here the important verb forms, be forms, have forms, and action verbs. Now we understood what are the present verb forms of be forms, have forms, action verbs, and the past forms of be forms, have forms, action verbs, and the future of forms of be forms, have forms, and the action verbs we understood. Now all the sentences so far we have learned, all the sentences are written with the help of be forms, have forms, action verbs. Now all sentences are positive, all sentences are positive sentences only. Now each tense we can divide them into positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative positive sentence, interrogative negative sentence. Like that we can change. Now we are going to learn all those sentences. Now here have forms, present have forms, has, have, past have form, had, future have form, will have, shall have. For example, here has is there. What about have? Suppose subject is plural, they have a car, we can write. That means in present tense two verbs are there. Here also two verbs are there. Yes verb is for singular subject. Singular subject means one. She means one. Has we have to write. They means more than one. So have we have to write. Past tense, no difference. Whether subject is she or they, no difference. No way. Past tense had. Future tense will have, shall have. So nowadays all are using will have only. Actually I, we after shall have we have to use. But nowadays shall is losing its ground. Now come to the action verbs. Action verb also simple present tense two are there. Buy, buys. For example, they buy. For example, here he is there. We have to write buys. He buys gifts. Present tense. Past tense no difference. The subject is he singular or plural. Singular means one. He means how many persons? One. They means more than one. Whether the subject is singular or plural, past tense no difference. Present tense only. Singular is there, S. The verb ends with S is called singular verb. The verb ends with Without S is called plural verb. With the S singular. That's why here has also yes. Is also yes. Here yes not there here. Here he buys gifts. For example, subject is he. So past tense no difference whether subject is singular or plural. But here B forms also. B forms if you take into your consideration, past tense two are there. She was, they were. Present tense she is. Subject singular she is a dancer. They are dancers. So is present tense, are also present tense, are is used after plural. For example, past tense if you take, she was a dancer, they were a dancer. So B forms, past tense also, singular B form is there, plural B form is there. But have forms and the action verbs, past tense only one verb is there. Have forms past had, action verb past tense V2 verb is there. So every verb in the English language is divided into three forms: simple present, simple past, past participle, you know. But what I wrote here is simple future. Simple future is simply you keep will or shall before the plural verb. Plural verb. Here also plural verb. Shall by, will by. Now this is present tense. Singular is there. Yes, we have here. Past tense no difference whether it is singular or plural. One verb. Future means will plus V1. Future is simple. Future is nothing but will plus V1. So simple present V1 verb. Simple past V2 verb. Simple future is will plus V1. Will plus V1. That's why some are saying that there is no future tense in the English language. Future tense is nothing but will plus present verb. That's why some people are saying that. Now come to the point. Okay. Now we are going to get the different sentences of present tense, simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Simple present tense. For example, if we take B forms, have forms, action verbs, positive sense, negative sense. She is a dancer, positive sentence. She is not a dancer, negative sentence. Not is the negative. Question, interrogative sentence. B forms we have to write before the subject. Is she a dancer? That is the question. Positive interrogative sentence, that one. Negative interrogative sentence. Isn't she a dancer? That is the negative. That means every sentence if you take, simple present tense also 4 types of sentences we can write. Simple past tense, simple future tense also 4 sentences of 10 types of sentences we can write. Have forms also same. So simple present tense 4, simple past 4, simple future 4. Like that, have forms also, action verbs also we can write. Now we are going to write 4 sentences of simple present tense, simple past, simple future with the B forms. Now